Hi, on this today's topic, respect your wisdom. Don't distill it to the ignorant. Ignore the ignorant. My voice is not very well today. I'm in trouble. But consistency must be respected. Consistency must. So, as I was saying, respect your wisdom. Don't distill your wisdom to the ignorant. Ignore the ignorant. Let's say you skateboard and you see a kid when you skateboard trying to skateboard and he is doing shit. He keeps failing and you go to help him, but he refuses to take your advice. You go to help him as someone who knows what to do, and the kid, or maybe not a kid, maybe someone you raise, maybe a girl, maybe a guy, is like rude, like I know what to do, like that. You can tell that you're not welcome. Simply leave. Simply get the fuck away from them. Respect yourself. Respect your wisdom. Don't just tell it to them because they don't want you. Simply, they are not bad. I'm not saying they are evil. They are not. They don't want your advice. So get the fuck away from them. Respect your time. Respect their time. Respect yourself. Respect your wisdom. Don't go around doing random bullshit no one asked you to do. Simple. Stay in your lane. Stand on business. Don't do random ass bullshit. Do random things to yourself, not to other people. You don't get to do that. You don't get to do that. Right? Let's say you see that person who you went to help with the skateboarding, and then you leave, and then you see them trip and fall, and now they are bleeding from their mouth. They hit their head on the floor and they're going unconscious. Guess what? You don't go to help. You just stay where you are or you get the fuck away. It's not your job to go there. You're not welcome there. Your job is not to go there. Nope. Respect your wisdom, ignore the ignorant. Don't distill your wisdom to the guy or girl or person who did not ask for it. Alright? There are a million people who would love to listen to what you have to say, but it's not them. I have friends, one, two, many of you. I have some friends, great friends. And if they are not great friends, then I am not a great friend, because if they are not being good friends to me, then I need to improve myself before I question them. Okay, so I have tried to give them, my friends, some advice that I have for them. The thing that I see, hey, maybe this will help them. It's goodwill. I try to tell them, but many a few times they don't really care. So guess what now? Now I don't give them advice. I will give them advice again when they ask for it. Otherwise, I should just not, because if I do that when they don't care, but I'm just constantly yapping in their ear, I am disrespecting my wisdom, I am disrespecting myself, I am disrespecting my time, I'm disrespecting their time on earth. Understand this. Before you were born, millions and millions of years, you did not exist. After you die, millions and millions of years, you will not exist ever again. So for this small amount of time that you are here on this floating rock, in the middle of absolute fucking nowhere, surrounded by this fucking nothingness, and there's a fucking ball of fire, we are apes on a floating rock in the middle of nowhere. For a very limited amount of time we exist. Stop wasting your time, stop wasting other people's time. If they did not ask for your help, get the fuck away. You can't save everyone. You simply cannot. Jesus tried to make people Christian. He could not make everyone Christian. Prophet Muhammad tried to make people Muslim. He couldn't make everyone Muslim. Like, even with the culture I come from, Hinduism, everyone is not Hindu. The people who follow Hinduism, they try to increase the number of Hindu people. Not everyone is. Muslim people try to convert others into Islam. Not everyone is. Christian missionaries always forever tried to make others Christian, and they did make a lot of people Christian, but not everyone. Even God can't get everyone on his side. There are people who are atheists, and I have nothing to problem with them. I am not a religious person myself. I'm not an atheist, but I am also not a theist. If you say I don't believe in God, I will say that is false. If you say I believe in God, I will say that is false. I am not a theist or an atheist. I am in the middle of there. I am somewhere in the middle, in the liminal space. The greatest poet from back in the day, Ghalib. There's a quote of him: Beyond good and evil, beyond happy and sad, beyond good and bad, beyond God and Satan, there's a place, there's a field, beyond good and bad. I'll meet you there. And that same place, beyond theist and atheist, there's a place, beyond theist and atheist. That's where I am. If you arrive there, I'll meet you there. You'll see me there. There is a place beyond good and evil. That's where I am. So, back to the point. Irrespective of wisdom, let's say you are really good at math, and there's a classmate who's horrible at math, and you go to help him. You try to teach him something, but he doesn't care. Like, you tell him something, and the next day you find out he forgot everything. He did not even practice. He did not even try to remember. He did not give a fuck. Which means now, for the rest of your school life, until he explicitly asks you for help, do not help. And a lot of guys do this, by the way, boys. Listen to me. Until a girl asks you to help her, get the fuck away from her. She does not want your help. A lot of nice guys, so-called nice guys, they're very nice. I'm not talking about good guys, I'm talking about nice guys. Nice guys, they will do something for a girl that the girl did not give a fuck. She did not ask him to do that. He will do that by himself. And when the girl moves the fuck away from him like a normal person, then he's like, I helped you. I gave you a glass of water. Suck my dick right now, woman. No, not women. Wait, no. Insects don't call women. They say females. Yeah. I helped you get a glass of water. Suck my dick right now, female species. I deserve it. So yeah, don't be that guy. Like, if she didn't ask you to help her, she's not asking for your help. And if you're like, no, but I must, then do it. Your thing. Like, again, meta. If you are going to be ignorant to my wisdom, I'm not going to try to distill it to you. I'm not going to try to give you my wisdom. Again, I don't just talk the talk. I walk the walk. What I tell you, I live what I preach. So what I'm telling you, I do that myself. So if I'm telling you something and you're being ignorant, again, I'm going to just get the fuck away from you. So, respect your wisdom. Give it to those who want it. Not everyone. Not everyone wants your wisdom. Some people just do not want help. There's nothing wrong with them. They just want to figure things out by themselves. They don't want your help. And some people, they want help, and both are fine. Some people work better with a mentor. Some people work better by themselves. Like, it's how people are. It's individual people by people. Every single person is uniquely different, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, I want to create content on YouTube. There's nothing wrong with me. There's another guy, he wants to become a doctor. There's nothing wrong with him. There's another guy, he wants to be a potter. There's nothing wrong with him. There's another guy, he wants to write fantasy books. Nothing wrong with that. Like, there's a woman who wants to be a housewife. Nothing wrong with that. There's a woman who wants to be a women's activist. Nothing wrong with that. Every single person, unique individuals. All good. So, if your wisdom is not respected, get the fuck away, or shut the fuck up, and better both. Get the fuck away and shut the fuck up. If no one asks you, bro, who asked? Shut up. Like, simply try to help people, but if they don't want you, the moment they will realize that your help is not respected or appreciated, stop instantly. Don't disrespect your wisdom. What if the divine power gives you wisdom, and you decide to disrespect your wisdom, and the divine power goes, you know what? I gave you a gift of wisdom. You don't respect it, I'll take it back. Fuck off. What do you do then? What the fuck are you going to do? You can do absolutely fucking nothing. So respect what you have. Respect your wisdom. If you have any, whatever the fuck amount you have. You don't have a lot. No one got a lot of wisdom. I don't have a lot, but whatever I have, I try to give it here because I believe maybe my friends don't really care. But on the internet, I'll find people who would love to listen to me. Because on the internet, everyone finds someone. You know how they say in life, there's someone for everyone. The internet is the same way. There's someone for everyone. Like even if you are talking about any random thing, let's say you are really passionate about uh, what? Let's say you are really passionate about fucking. Let's say you are really passionate about plumbing. You talk about plumbing on the internet. You talk about plumbing for 6 months. At the end of 6 months, you will have like 100 guys or 100 girls who are really interested into listening to you talk about plumbing. They really, really love it when you talk about plumbing. You know, because they are just like you. They found you, and you are just the type of person they were trying to find on the internet. Because even on the internet, we don't watch everyone. We watch the people who we like, right? Like the people who don't like Mr. Beast, they don't watch Mr. Beast. The people who like Mr. Beast watch Mr. Beast. You watch who you like. Some people, I like Markiplier, I watch him. There are people, I believe, 100% who just don't like Markiplier for whatever the fuck reason, and it's all good. See, respect your wisdom and distill it only to those who want it. Don't distill your wisdom to the ignorant. Alright? In the Gita, which is like a holy scripture of Hinduism or Sanatan Dharma, whatever you say, in the Gita, no, sorry, not in the Gita, I'm sorry, no. I think it's in Ramayana that Ram says, only give, I'm not sure actually which one, but there's one where they say that only give the wisdom of this book to those who appreciate it, those who want it. If there's someone who does not appreciate the wisdom of this book and did not ask for it, simply don't shove this book down their throat forcefully. And I think every religion got a variation of that, which is give this knowledge to those who want it and respect it and appreciate it, those who are grateful to have it. You know, there's a saying, when the student is ready, the master will appear. It's very true. When you ask for help from the universe, when you need a help, when you ask for it, when you are appreciative of it, when the universe sees that if you get the help, you will be very grateful, the universe sends you that help. The saying is very true. In life it happens, people just don't notice it. I do. When the student is ready, the master appears. You know, like when a guy is trying to learn about something, he's trying from a few days. Suddenly he gets something and now he got a way to learn it. For me, I wanted to make YouTube videos. From a long time I was wanting to make YouTube videos. I just needed a push. But I didn't give up. I was still up there. I was like, I just need someone to push me, and I got the push finally. And I started, and now I'm an unstoppable force. I am an unstoppable force that can't be stopped even by immovable objects. And yeah, respect your wisdom and distill your wisdom to those who respect it. Those who don't, simply ignore them. Not because they are bad people, but you guys don't belong together. You know? Like a rock music lover and a pop music lover won't usually be great friends because their taste of music is different. It's not like rock is bad, no. It's not like pop is bad, no. Rock fans will say that pop music is trash. Pop fans will say that rock music is trash, you know? Like someone who listens to pop music might say that rock music is satanic. Someone who listens to rock music might say that pop music is just really problematic in a lot of ways. And the whole point, someone from rock might say that pop is like very, you know, and both ways they are wrong because both musics are right and well. They both exist and they both deserve their place on earth. It's just two people sometimes don't belong to the same camp. Some people grow together. Some people come from separate places and end up together. Some people grow out of each other. Some people grow separated. Like they were together, but they grew out each other. Now they don't belong together anymore. Two kids in fifth grade, best friends. By seventh grade, one kid is into engineering, the other is into painting. By ninth grade, they are not friends anymore because they simply outgrew each other. They don't belong together anymore, and it's completely normal and fine and happens. I mean, no one wishes for it, but if it happens, and it's not bad. Both of them will find their new best friends, new people. See, anytime someone leaves you, never be sad because whenever someone leaves you, you are going to find someone else. Maybe someone better, maybe someone different. But you will find someone, 100%. 100%. Always. And yeah, just don't give a fuck. You don't need to. You don't have to give a fuck. Because life is good and fine and will be good and fine. Like every time you think that you're fucked, you're not. So respect your wisdom, and whatever wisdom you have, then preserve it, like improve it, expand on it, learn more, read things, learn things, try to do things, become someone. So yeah, respect your wisdom. Don't distill your wisdom to the ignorant, ignore the ignorant. You can't help everyone. You can't solve every single problem in the world. You have to choose one problem and dedicate your life to it. That's it. Until, or at least take one, get it done, then next one. You can't work on three things at once. You just cannot. Like, if you like climate change and becoming an author and dance and painting, you can't do all four of those things at once. You have to choose one. So yeah, take a thing, take daily action, improve, and keep going. Do not give up on something too easy. Try it for like 6 months at least. Once not normally, for 6 months. Chase it like a fucking psychopath. Put in crazy hours. And if at the end of 6 months you got nothing, well, maybe you can switch. I don't recommend, but maybe you can. But if there's an idea at which you believe in, don't let an idiot talk you out of it. Let's say you are really passionate about doing something. Don't let some idiot just talk you out of it like, oh bro, that's not gonna work, that's not a good idea. They don't know. No one can see your vision, alright? There's a guy on YouTube and Instagram. I don't remember his account right now, but he's a like big black guy. And he talks about fruits and plants. Like he tells you fruits history, and I watch him a lot. I love watching him. He got an audience of a few million people. People love watching him. Each of his videos got millions of views. When he thought of the idea of talking about fruits, no one can see that vision. Like even if he told you, you would probably say, bro, that's a dumb idea, because it seems dumb until he did it. So yeah, you have something in your heart that speaks to you, stick to that and keep speaking. I'll speak to you later.